are the key features of leverage shares ETPs. First, unlike trading options, futures, or simply trading on margin, you can trade leverage shares ETPs through an individual cash account via most brokers. Second, all leverage shares ETPs are rebalanced at the end of each trading day to ensure that the investor will get the same leverage factor on the following trading day. Third, each ETP brought to market by leverage shares is issued at just $5 or its equivalent in pound sterling or euro. This allows the investors to trade in their preferred currency. What's more, leverage shares works with the leading market maker BNP Paribas to ensure that the investors can enter into and exit out of position at will. Last but not least, unlike other alternatives to trading with leverage, the most that the investor can lose with leverage shares ETPs is limited to the initial amount that they have invested. If you enjoyed this video and would like to find out more about our products and different market trends, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow us for more.